Good afternoon, guys. Carlos Jaramillo here with Next Level Marketing, coming to you live from beautiful Albuquerque, New Mexico, with my very own first YouTube video. I'm excited to share something brand new, ground floor, with you, something I was blessed to come across, where the average guy who's not too good at selling, kind of like myself, is able to make some good cash flow on the side, some good side income. Imagine yourself being able to share a free application, a free link, if you will, with a potential customer or your friends, like we do with Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, Amazon, YouTube. But in this case, it comes back to you in a boomerang effect and you make money, where your potential customers can save money and you can make money. Artificial intelligence makes that possible. I'm going to say this. How many of you guys hate junk mail? I know I hate junk mail. You know what I love though? I love Amazon. How many people have you ever gotten a call from Amazon, a salesman pitching you something? You don't. You don't. The AI technology only shares with you what you want to see. So my algorithm, my homepage is different from my wife's homepage, different from my daughter's homepage. Imagine being able to do that, share that with somebody. This is going to revolutionize the home-based business forever, forever. This is the opportunity of a lifetime. Now take it from me. I've been in just about every kind of home-based arena there is. This is what it kind of looks like. Hey mom, switch your meal replacement shake to my meal replacement shake. It's better and you'll live longer. Switch your water to my water. Switch your toothpaste to my toothpaste. And there's nothing wrong with that. The big problem is if you're not a good salesman, like myself, and don't worry, 90% of the people are not good salesmen. You're not going to be successful in that kind of business. You're not going to be. This here is a ground floor opportunity. Ground floor. So let me ask you this. When is the best time to get on the airplane? When it's in the air or when it's on the ground? When is the best time to invest in Amazon, Bitcoin, TikTok? When nobody's talking about it, nobody's really investing, or when the whole world knows about it and it becomes a household name? Click the link below to get some more info. God bless.